We have flooding today in Patong. As you can see, the roads are just completely flooded everywhere, all the way out, flooded. And this is Bangalore Road you're seeing here now, and Soy Patong Resort also flooded. Let's move back here. This is Jungsalon. In front of Jungsalon, that road is called Tis Road. That is also flooded, all of it, like 1 meter or something like that. And beside Jungsalon, there used to be a market. That market burned down like 2 days ago. So lots of stuff going on right now. You can see the brown water in the street. It's completely flooded. And there the burned down market.